Have you ever pondered the mystery of what follows our last breath? This question has captivated the human mind since time immemorial, driving us to seek answers in the wisdom of ancient spiritual traditions and the discoveries of modern science. Yet, these paths often lead us to a theoretical understanding that leaves us with more questions than answers. It's important to understand that in the grand scheme of life, where change is the only constant, death is not merely the cessation of life. It also manifests in the loss or transformation of jobs, the heartache of divorce, the subtle shifts within our bodies, the gradual march of aging, the adventure of relocating to new cities, and even the sorrowful departure of our beloved pets. Against this intricate backdrop of endings and beginnings, a sanctuary emerges for transformation and healing. Our meditation workshop named Dying and Living. This workshop utilizes immersive techniques to offer a comprehensive and integrated journey. It's an opportunity for profound understanding and the acquisition of new knowledge. Guided by experts in spirituality and palliative healthcare, you're invited to become part of a community of kindred seekers embarking on this transformative journey. This workshop is about life, near-death experiences, manifestation, self-discovery, grief, and stress reduction. Don't allow fear or uncertainty about life's transitions or death to limit you. Our workshop, grounded in the worlds of medicine and science, aims to broaden your understanding of consciousness and empower you to fully embrace and optimize your present life. So, are you ready to embark on a personal exploration of your consciousness? The first step is within your reach. Contact us today to find out more about how you can join us on this transformative journey. Remember, the path to understanding and embracing life's transitions begins with a single step. Take that step today.